Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you what are passphrases and how to set them up on your TREZOR Safe free. Passphrases are an additional word added to your recovery phrase. Because you know how you set up your device, then you can either set it up as new and it'll generate a recovery phrase that consists of 20 words, or you can recover it from a recovery phrase that can be from 12 up to 24 or even I think 33 words. And all of these words, when they are combined together in a certain order, all of them are used to generate private keys based on that. And the private keys are generated the same way every time if the same recovery phrase is entered on the same or a different device. Which means that, of course, it's very important not to share your recovery phrase and not to lose it, because it is the only way to recover the wallet, and also if someone gets it, then they can use your money. And now if you add another word, which is the passphrase, it's gonna be an additional word. It will make the private keys to be generated completely differently, and this will make you have like sort of a second wallet, let's say. And I think it's pretty great because it lets you simply have either two or even more wallets, one of them being without a passphrase and other ones being with a passphrase, or you can just skip using the one without a passphrase and only use the ones with a passphrase, either as another layer of security, or to have different wallets also just to categorize the money somehow, or also that you don't store everything on one, so even if someone gets access to one of them, then they still won't get all your money. It's all up to you. However you want it, you can do it. And now let's move on to the part with setting it up. And remember that you will need to remember it, because in case you forget it, then unfortunately there will be no way to restore it, as well as the recovery phrase. Now, to do it, you'll need to go to the settings, then go to device, and you'll see wallet default. And when you select passphrase, now whenever you open the app, you'll have the passphrase entry box. So let's do it. I think when I lock the device, if I go to that device, I can unlock it, and I think it'll still work without a passphrase. But later on I'll also show you a different method of setting up the passphrase. Now let's do it that way. So yeah, I'll need to just fully close the app, so let's do it. So yeah, after reopening the app, you can see that I have the option to basically, let me just fix the setup. Yeah, now I have the option to enter the passphrase, and this is a thing that I would call a temporary passphrase, which lets you, after entering the passphrase, use the wallet with the passphrase, and later on, after you close the app and reopen it, you'll need to either enter the passphrase again or not, or whatever. You can also enter the passphrase on TREZOR. And I think I regret clicking on that, because now I need to do that on the small device. But yeah, it is case sensitive, it's very important, and also can have numbers or special symbols or spaces. So I'll just set it to something that I won't forget, because I think I'll be using it. So yeah, now I'll need to go back to the small letters and type in H. So let's do I, R, D. By the way, it shuffles everything, so it's not that easy. And yeah, if I can, I hope I can see it actually. Yeah, because I wanted to delete, I think 2 letters. Yeah, because I want to add a big one, a capital one, now a small one. So yeah, it is sort of a pain to do that. That's why I regret not entering it on the computer. And I'm not really sure if there's like a way to go back, so I'll just reset. Like, I'll just enter it. And by the way, the passphrase can be from 1 up to, I believe, 32 or 30 symbols. I don't really remember that, but yeah, I'll just go back. Make sure you will remember your passphrase if you're setting it up for the first time, because otherwise it may be not too good. Yeah, and now it's checking the passphrase wallet for balances and transactions, and I am expecting some balances. So I'll just get back to you. Okay, I have it. Yeah. So as you can see, I have some balance here. Indeed. There was something, but now there is not. Yeah, I have a ledger account. You can see I have a ledger account here, and it has some balance on it. So that's basically it here. And now the other way for a passphrase wallet, you can click on here to just add a passphrase wallet, and that will make you have be able to switch between those without entering each time. First, I'm gonna eject the wallet. Then I'm gonna add a standard wallet. I'm gonna, in the settings, go back to the standard option. Now here, I'll add a passphrase wallet. Just enter the passphrase. Access it. Continue on the wallet. Confirm. And now I'll be able to switch between those like at any time in the app, and I think that's more convenient, but I just wanted to show you both options because you may prefer the other one for whatever reason. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.